Hey, this is Brian from brianalcott.com and welcome to my Money Magnets review. Now, Money Magnets launches on the 5th of November at 9 AM Eastern Standard Time, and I'm inside the members area here and I'm going to give you a run through and show you what's inside here in a few minutes. But I'd just like to summarize what Money Magnets is all about. First of all, it's a new affiliate marketing training course which has been created by Nella Fernandez. Now, Nella is a colleague of mine in the Ministry of Freedom, and he's going to show you in this course, this is his first product launch. It's going to show you exactly how to set an affiliate marketing business up the correct way, it's something that's going to really take you step by step with over the shoulder, and it's really going to help you if you're new to affiliate marketing or an intermediate and you want to really take things up to the next level. You're going to learn all that in this program called Money Magnets from Nella Fernandez. And if you stick with me to the end of this video, if it's something that's going to interest you, then I've got some high quality custom bonuses that I'm going to give away to you completely free of charge today, just by clicking on the first link in the description below this YouTube video. That will bring you to my bonus page where you can pick up your purchase of Money Magnets through my link and click on any of the big red buttons on that page. Takes you to the sales page. Again, click on the matching red button on the sales page. You'll be taken to your Warrior Plus account where you can get instant delivery of Money Magnets along with my custom bonuses. And the only thing you must do is get yourself back to my bonus page before this countdown timer reaches 0, because when that happens, unfortunately my bonuses will expire, and I wouldn't want you to miss out on these because they are very special bonuses. John O. Armstrong has given me these bonuses to give away to you today with your purchase of Money Magnets for just the front end of $17, which has actually got a downsell to $12. So it's a real no-brainer to get this product and all my bonuses. So bonus number one that I'm going to give to you today is called Enigma. Now, this is a product of John O. Armstrong's, not a very old product. It's still very relevant. It's a hack which is going to show you how to use viral Facebook videos to drive traffic to your affiliate offers. So it's really going to help you with your purchase of Money Magnets today. Bonus number two is 5 instant cash strategies. And this is again is going to sit really well with Money Magnets and really going to help you to make some decent affiliate commissions. Bonus number 3, then there's a secret traffic source that puts Money Magnets on steroids. So this is going to be a real underground traffic source that's obviously going to really help you to take your business to the next level. Then bonus number 4 is Gemini. This is again another of John O's best-selling products. Not very old. Only brought this one out earlier this year. This is a very successful product for John O. You're going to get access to Gemini, which is all about it's a training and software which is going to give you some auto responder tools like countdown timers, and so it's really going to sit perfectly with your affiliate business from Money Magnets. But this is only available for the first 24 hours, so you do need to come back fairly sharpish if you want to get bonus number 4 as well there. Bonus number 5, we're going to get all the vendor bonuses. You're not going to miss out on any of those special bonuses that the vendor's giving you today by purchasing Money Magnets through my link, as I say, which is the first link in the description below this video. So once you do that, as I say, you'll be taken to your Warrior Plus account and the receipt page where you can click on this blue button on that page and you get instant delivery. So all these bonuses will be delivered instantly to you just for buying the front end product of $17. But I say there is a downsell, so if you just going to move away from the page, you will get the opportunity to save $5 by doing that. So I'll take you over to the sales page for a quick look around. So this is these money magnets are going to build passive income streams for us daily. If you can order online, you can get this system set up. So there's a video there. So this is a complete business in a box. There's no monthly fees or expenses. 100% free traffic training included inside. Zero tech skills or experience required. It's easy to set up and 100% beginner friendly. So you can have a look at this sales page in your own time. I won't spend too long on it, but it's got testimonials here. And then these are the bonuses that the vendor's going to give to you with your purchase. So it's a very comprehensive product, which I say is well worth $12, especially as you're going to get these high quality bonuses delivered instantly with your purchase as well. So let's go and have a look in the members area. This is the dashboard of the members area of Money Magnets. And first of all, you're going to get an intro from the product creator Nella Fernandez. Then you're going to get shows you all about choosing a niche and the overview for that. Then the training consists of sorting out your email software, which you can get started for free on this. Now I will show you that in there. And then also how to set up landing pages for collecting your emails from your customers. Then earning commissions from these affiliate networks like Warrior Plus, JVZoo, ClickBank. Nella will show you how to set all that up. Then also how to drive traffic. So there's free traffic options and paid traffic as well. Then you've got the bonuses that I just touched on the sales page that you're going to get. And then there are some upgrades, excuse me, that I'll show you exactly what they are in a few minutes. But of course, you're going to get the opportunity to join Nella's Facebook group, where he's going to be able to answer any queries if you've got any. Also, there is a webinar that you can watch, a training webinar. So there's plenty of value within this course for just $12. So I'll show you what the upsells are now. You don't need to buy any of these upsells to actually get your hands today on the bonuses that I've just been describing to you, that you're going to get them free of charge with just by buying the front end. So the front end of Money Magnets is $17 with a downsell, so you can save yourself $5. You're going to access the powerful Money Magnet software and training modules I've just shown you in the members area. So there's good value there for $12. Upsell number one is done for you, $67 with a downsell to $57. Done for you funnels in 3 niches. This takes all the hard work out of it. Get all 3 niches for a bargain. And then you've got upsell number 2, done for you, $37, downsell to $27. Done for you funnels in 1 niche each, takes all the hard work out of it. Upsell number 3, license rights for $197 with a downsell to $127. So you're going to be able to sell Money Magnets as your own product. And then upsell number 4, you're going to get coaching for $197. So you've got a month's coaching to help you with everything with regards to this system. And that will be one-to-one coaching with Nella. As I say, he's a member of the Ministry of Freedom mentoring program. So he's got a lot of knowledge that he's learnt there that he's going to be able to pass on to you. So I hope you've enjoyed my review of Money Magnets, and thank you very much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.